When I'm directing, I just feel so energetic to pull out what's in other people. So I've been directing now for 57 years. At a young age, still going to church, I was a gangbanger. A lot of my energy I put in the streets. Now I was able to put it in the church, that same energy. And it just makes me feel good. In the choir, we have to sing together and we have to pull together and push together. We're a group, we're a team. Well, I help people find their voice by working with them and listening. And they listen to me. We ain't nothing but a cheerleader. To get people to open up, because so many people, they won't open up until you be in front of them, directing them. I don't care what you wear. I don't care how you act. In every person is some good in them. But you got to find the right person to pull the good out. Do what God has blessed you to do, and do it from your heart, and you flourish.